Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. Why health experts say to avoid eating tilapia. Tilapia, one of the most popular farm-raised fish that many people eat, is much loved for its cheap cost and delicious taste. But with every bite, we're putting our health on the line. Its consumption may lead to severe health issues. Some conditions are even life-threatening. Here are the top reasons why experts say to avoid eating tilapia. Number 1. Enhances risk of inflammation. Fish is the usual go-to seafood of those who want to up their intake of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3, as you probably know, benefits health by lowering blood pressure, reducing cholesterol in the bloodstream, and boosting the immune system. It also prevents arthritis, depression, heart disease, and even cancer. However, a study conducted at Wake Forest University in 2008 revealed that tilapia contains more omega-6 than omega-3, with a ratio of 11:1. Although omega-6 is also needed by the body, the healthy omega-6 to omega-3 ratio is 2:4. Higher omega-6 means an increased risk of asthma, arthritis, and other inflammatory conditions, as it is notorious for causing inflammation inside the body. Number 2. Leads to arsenic consumption. Eating fish farmed in an arsenic-rich environment augments the risk of cancer development in the consumer. Chronic arsenic exposure can lead to bladder and lung cancer specifically. Number 3. Carries rare bacteria. Red tilapia containing Vibrio vulnificus. This bacterium is not very common but may cause illness when it comes in contact with the wound or is ingested. Its infection is serious and leads to diarrhea, vomiting, and stomachache. Furthermore, it also causes flesh necrosis and sepsis, and is thus named flesh-eating bacteria. When the infection spreads, it becomes necessary to remove the tissues or whole infected body parts. The infection can become even lethal. Number 4. Exposes body to heavy metals. Tilapia consumption may or may not expose the body to heavy metals. Tilapia mussels absorb smaller amounts of heavy metals. On the other hand, intestines, livers, and gills absorb the higher and more dangerous amounts of these heavy metals. Toxicological risks of heavy metals increase when humans consume these parts. As for the tilapia mussels, the heavy metals they absorb are not in dangerous quantities when consumed. However, one research study wasn't sufficient and data from one pond to another may vary diversely. Number 5. Contains high quantity of toxic chemicals. Tilapia may contain different toxic chemical compounds. Which compound is found in tilapia depends on which environment they are raised in. Dibutyltin, a chemical used in creating PVC plastic, can also be found in farm-raised tilapia. This chemical weakens immunity and increases inflammation in the body. Further, it amplifies the risk of asthma, allergies, metabolic disorders, and obesity. Dioxin, also found in tilapia, is associated with increased cancer risks and other health issues. It's pretty shocking how long it takes for the body to flush out this chemical, 7 to 11 years. Number 6. Augments ingestion of antibiotics and pesticides. Since they are raised in crowded fish pens, tilapia are more prone to diseases. Farm owners give them antibiotics to prevent them from getting sick. They're also given pesticides to treat sea lice, a common problem. These chemicals are effective, but are nevertheless harmful to people's health when ingested. Number 7. Increases risk of cancer. According to various Chinese farm-bred tilapia eat animal feces in their feed, mainly the fecal materials of duck, chicken, and pigs. Consuming such fish augments the chance of developing cancer 10 times more than the wild fish. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.